Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Sifla Khan. Today is a big day as Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan have reached towards USA, and I will say to him a good luck and welcome to the US for with the people of Kashmiris, and for them he is the ambassador of the Kashmiri people as Prime Minister of Pakistan. For this, I give him a good luck. Good luck to Imran Khan that you will defend the voice of voiceless Kashmiris, because it is a time for you, because you feel the pain of Kashmiris equally as Pakistanis. We all feel the pain of the Kashmiris. As you know, the curfew in India was a bit spoiler for against all the humanity. On 27th September, in United Nations, you will debate with in front of all the world superpowers along with you, along with everyone. Especially the biggest enemies of Pakistan at this moment is the Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, because to dialogue with him, to debate with him, and to defend your Kashmiri point of view is mostly important, because one reason is that from Indian side you know that Pakistanis are said to be terrorist country who are sending mujahideen towards Kashmiris to spoil them from the decades to and which they say Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which we say Pakistan Azad Kashmir, is a territory which is a part of India, not part of Pakistan. But due to Mujahideen, Pakistan have that illegal property. But the point is that the people of Kashmiris are with Pakistan, and even the Indian occupied Kashmir, which is now they are making it a legal part of India, Ladakh, Kashmir, and Jammu after abolishment of Article 370 and 35A on 5 August 2019 by Amit Shah. So it is in India it is a bit sorrow for all the Kashmiri, the curfew, the way the people were treated by the Indian army. It is a very sorrow to fight against this. Imran Khan is working hard, a team and a whole Pakistan army, and even every Pakistani is trying to make a bridge, make a positivity for the Kashmiri people. Even the actors, the artists, even the sportsmen, even everybody in Pakistan wants that the people of Kashmir will be justified, the disputed area of Kashmir will be justified by hook or by crook against India, so that the Kashmiri people will live a peaceful life, which from 73 years, even after independence of India and Pakistan, they did not get independent. But, although they are become spoiled part, which is before independence is a heaven, but from 72 years, the Kashmir is a hell for not only their own people, for not only their, but for all the tourist people, for all the local people. They could not travel there, but the beautiful, the land of God, we cannot travel to it. Our motherland we can't travel. So it is against human, against our earth rules. So my point is that like we travel in America, in Dubai, in Bangkok, Thailand, in China, anywhere in the world we can travel easily, simply in India. Even in India, look, go to Taj Mahal very easily, and no one is spoiled their lives, and they will be very easily with freedom. They move everywhere. Like this, they will in Kashmir. Every person, even Pakistani, even Indian, will move in Kashmir happily. When this will be happen, the peace will become to hold the world. The terrorist side, even Indian terrorists or Pakistan, whatever the name you say, it will be finished. It will be abolished forever. It's between you and me. Isn't Imran Khan and Narendra Modi? How they will use their stage in front of United Nations, all the other countries of UN, UN under UN. to spoil their stance. For Imran Khan have to show a positive sign, have to show what Kashmiri people want, but have to to show them that it is America because of them. Because for their point of view, the Mujahideen will be created for